Question number 8. Two balls P and Q of equal mass, okay, move along a straight line directly towards each other as shown. Okay, this is a collision problem, right? Ball P has a velocity of 1.3 and ball Q has a velocity of 0.5. Okay, P and Q collide with each other. The collision is perfectly elastic, and total momentum is conserved. Good. Okay, when it is elastic, total momentum is definitely conserved. And which diagram shows the motion of P and Q after the collision? See, when the masses of these two are one and the same, okay, then what can happen is, after a collision, then the velocities get exchanged. Remember, during an elastic collision, two things. First one is, there should be an elastic collision, okay, and then the mass is same, then what will happen? After collision, velocities get exchanged. Okay, this is very important. You can prove this also, but we don't have this so much time to prove it, but this is what you need to know. So therefore, if this is 1.3, this is 1.5, after collision what can happen? P should take 0.5 and Q should take 1.3. The directions remain unchanged. Okay, so now let us look at which of these options are correct. See, this is incorrect, this is incorrect, this is incorrect, this is correct. So D is the right option. No calculation, nothing. You need to know how do we work with this.